Having trouble with the calculator app on your iPhone? It's annoying when it doesn't work just when you need it. In this video, I'll show you some simple ways to fix it fast. Let's get started. Solution 1. Force quit the calculator app. Restarting the app can help resolve minor glitches. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Locate the calculator app. Swipe up on the calculator app card to close it. Now open Settings. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Find Calculator. Tap Offload App. Tap Offload App again. Then tap Reinstall App. Now reopen the calculator app from your home screen and check if it's working properly. Solution 2. Reinstall the calculator app. If the problem persists, you may need to delete and reinstall the calculator app. Locate the calculator app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until the menu appears. Select Remove App, then tap Delete App to confirm. Go to the App Store. Search for Calculator and reinstall it. Solution 3. Check for software updates. Outdated software can cause issues with apps. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Once your device is updated, restart your iPhone. Check if the calculator app is functioning correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with the calculator app on your iPhone. If this guide helped, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for our next